Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be discussing fun uses for gingerbread. And there are many fun uses for gingerbread. Now, I have an awesome recipe for gingerbread cookies and an amazing decoration video as well to do the gingerbread cookies with royal icing. It's amazing. So before we get started, be a subscriber, hit the notification button so you can see all these incredible videos, please, because you'll love them. So I've made some gingerbread cookies, various shapes. I love my snowflakes. I love my gingerbread boys. And I made some squares and I make some stars. So I have some royal icing and I'm going to decorate them. And I'm just, as I'm doing this, I'm just going to zigzag around my little squares because these would make incredible place cards. So yeah, you know what you do? You put the person's name on them. Let's say you have somebody coming to your party. It doesn't matter when it is. It could be a holiday party, it could be a brunch, New Year's Day, doesn't matter. So let's say his name is Tom. You're going to be real careful. Get a tiny round tip. I'm not talking because I don't want to mess up. And if you don't have a round tip, you can just cut the pastry bag with a little tip off. Now I'm going to hold this up so you can see Tom. This is Tom. All right, now Tom, of course, has to dry. Okay, see? So that's beautiful. And as you can see, I put it on my place as a place card, and that person now knows where to sit, and they have a fun little something to nosh on either before dinner gets started or you can wrap it and take it home. So I love doing that. The other thing I like to do is taking a pastry brush, dip it in your maybe thinned out royal icing, and I love to take a star and sort of smear it around each end of the star, each tip of the star, I should say. All right. And then you can use any sprinkles you want. You can even make spiderweb patterns, and I've done that. You can see that on those videos that I've already done. But I love to put like white on one spoke of the star and silver on the other spoke of the star. So take any sprinkles you have and be really, really, really creative and do whatever you want because it's awesome. Now make sure you let these dry for several hours or overnight before you wrap them. And they actually would mail very well, and they would actually do very well on your table once they're hard. That's what royal icing is. It's basically like edible cement. It's amazing. The other thing I like to do is put them on gifts. So if you have a gift, wrap this cookie dried, maybe with the person's name in some plastic wrap or cellophane, tie it with a bow, and then put it on the gift. You have an extra gift for that person. And I'm telling you, homemade edible gingerbread, everybody loves it. Trust me on this. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you become a subscriber. Till next time.